Filming doesn't adjust. Blake, do a trick!
I see all big brother. Whenever, bro, whenever you want something, call me.
Like some Rasta music, you know?
Rasta music. That's what they like that. They like the Rasta music.
And then I hear like water falling, and I'm wondering like, is he peeing in the guest bathroom or something? I felt like it was too close, like I felt like it was right next to me, so I'm wondering what the fuck is going on. And I get out, and Sean is just in the doorway, just pissing all over the floor.
Oh fuck, oh fuck. Look good.
Testing?
Yeah, I'm testing right now.
1, 2, 3, check. 1, 2, check.
I'm telling pull more. Tell me.
Pull more. Yeah, right there. Pull. You got it. Pull by the handle. Just like that.
Blake, what's your favorite beer, bro?
I like to drink a lot of beer. Ice Ridge is the cheapest beer on island, and it's a pretty good beer. So I thought I'd commemorate that beer with getting a tattoo.
Who do you think's better, Ro or Chris?
Chris is better, 100%. Ro ain't nothing. Like he's swinging his leg up like a ballerina.
You're not gonna drop it?
You're the only one who drops boulders in this family.
No, I'm not.
Yes.
No. Yeah. That's the airbenders right there, the airbenders. Sean, what happened with these dudes though? It must be too hot. Oh, yeah.
Come on, Blake. In front of your girl, bro. Come on, in front of your girl, bro. Come on, off the boat. Let's go. Bye, Blake.
Sorry, we're cool, bro. You good?
If you ain't rapping Moana or Mako, you might as well not be on the water.
Yeah, for real, bro. For
Just stay
real.
on land. Just stay on land. And wait till we get on land. If you're not on Moana or Mako ATVs, you're not riding.
There's no ATVs though.
We getting ATVs.
Oh yeah.
Watch out, Froggy. We getting them ATVs. Damn, this boat got a sunroof and all.
It got a sunroof. There's this.
A moonroof at that. Like, this whole thing comes back. How much boats have a moonroof?
See how you look? Damn.
Vicious! You look better than you thought, right?
Better than
The
that.
goggles are on sideways.
From side.
No.
Where are you going?
No. Not there, bro.
Okay, today was a pretty good day. I bought me a bag of dank. Had an old bitch send me a little message. I didn't respond, now she walking that blank. I don't think I ever came back from Texas. Swear to God, the first night everything changed. I'ma put rap God all on my necklace, and I'm probably never gonna wear that chain, cause I don't like chains. Danger been coming for me all at once, that just I came. I was in a meeting just talking about money. They were talking about money till we talking the same. Looking at the mirror like catch up. Bill it really came for the war, and he ain't afraid to pay.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Call Cammy, bro. Call Cammy.
Cameron!
Yeah, Cammy.
All of my niggas come first. Everybody else brings me a curse. I'm the big bad